Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to IKEA one for furniture shopping for our condo in Canada. So this store is a huge store where you can find everything from your kitchen needs to bedding, living area, furniture and everything. And there is this beautiful Swedish restaurant where you can enjoy vegan and vegetarian meals as well. Look at this beautiful place. They have cakes, muffins, and lots of options to eat for kids and adults as well. Whenever we go to IKEA, it takes at least 2 hours, and sometimes we feel hungry. So, there are some quick options to grab, like cakes and ice creams, frozen yogurts, etc. And so, this is the furniture section, different furniture for kids and adults. They have different types of sofa cum beds and different types of sofas to choose from. For the sofas and beds, I mean the big furniture, you can order for delivery. It takes $59 in Ontario for the delivery. Whatever furniture we buy in Canada, we have to assemble it ourselves. We can also call somebody to assemble it, but they charge a hefty amount, so many people do all the assembling by themselves. So when we bought our bed, it took us, I think, around 2 hours to assemble the bed, and for tables around 1 hour, sometimes half an hour, depending on the kind of furniture it is. They have lots of options for side tables, living area, office furniture, and lots of other stuff for storage, and different types of chairs for dining as well as for living area. So if you are short of space, you can even buy a lot of organizers for your home. So for my home, I have bought everything from IKEA because everything here is like not very cheap but affordable as compared to other stores. They even have a huge variety for office furniture, including the chairs, tables, laptops, stands, and all, so that one can choose according to their budget and needs. They have different types of beds and mattresses available in different sizes and side tables. You will get almost everything here. So when we moved to Canada and when we shifted to our condo, we just came here and chose everything and then clicked pictures of the tags and all and ordered it for delivery. They have such beautiful options for sofa cum bed in some $500 or $400, I think. So I bought this bed, this one. It was for, I think, $300 2 years back. Now it's $469. Different types of mattresses of different brands. So this is the kitchen area and you will find lots of options. And they are very affordable. You will get plates for 99 cents and bowls for 99 cents. Normally it is like $2, but most of the times it is 99 cents when the sale is going on. Lots of options for pillows and pillow covers for your sofas. sheets, floor mats and bath mats, different types of dustbins and different sizes and different prices. Please let me know in the comment section if you have already visited this store, and if you are new to Canada or planning to move to Canada, so I highly recommend this store to buy your furniture and kitchen needs, utensils, or whatever you have to buy. They have good and affordable options for mirrors, watches, and everything. Different types of plants and pots and flower vases for your garden and for your living area. You can pick the things you want and you can do the self checkout at the checkout counter, and for the furniture you can collect it from the designated aisles and do the billing. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment if you have any questions regarding anything. Have a good one.